It's not just fun and games. It is an investment in your time, in your future, in the way you look, the way you talk, the way you speak. Everything matters.
So, how did you think about becoming a professor and how did you start this college?
So I needed an outlet to do things my way, to teach my way. And I had learned so many wonderful things at Ottawa University, which had, provided me this energy to experiment. So I took this forward and I met a few friends, Professor Surjit Lahiri, whom I connected with later as my husband, Sanjeev Bikhchandani sir, Rajiv Tiwari sir, and now Dr. Samir Kapoor also, and Dr. Manik Katyal today, and Ashok Mehta. We said, let's do something, bahut ho gaya. So we wanted to do something. There was a lot of high discussion. There was energy in the room. You could feel it. It was just palpable. Somebody said MBA kar lete. I said, I'm not doing another MBA. Every Tom, Dick and Harry is doing an MBA course. So damn boring.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to a very exciting episode of Indian Business Times podcast. No matter how far we go in our lives, there's always one wish that stays in our hearts, and that is कि यार किसी तरीके से कॉलेज वापस चले जाए. लेकिन टुडे आई हैव बीन फॉर्चुनेट इनफ कि पूरा का पूरा कॉलेज ही मेरे पास चल के आ गया है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द डीन ऑफ माय कॉलेज, दिल्ली स्कूल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, प्रोफेसर रमोला कुमार. So let's welcome Ramola ma'am. Welcome to the podcast. How have you been?
Afternoon, Akshay. And this is just such a wonderful moment for me because, I recall that you were such a wonderful student
Thank you.
and you've come this far, and, I'm here with you participating in your venture. And what better way to say thanks to your teacher, and express your growth than to have her, come back and participate with you in further evolution.
Right, ma'am. I'm so elated that you came. And there was a time when you took my interview back in 2014.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I came to your room. You took my interview, and then somehow I was fortunate enough again that you selected me. और आज मैं इस तरफ हूँ. I have the privilege to interview you and know a lot of things about you जो शायद हमें पहले कभी नहीं बता थी. Right. So, ma'am, what brings you to Chandigarh otherwise?
Well, I'm here on a personal, ceremony for a family member's daughter's, marriage, actually.
Mm-hmm.
So,
You like Chandigarh?
it's a laid-back city. I think it's evolving. I like to think that.
Right.
But, I think it can do a lot more being, the capital of Punjab and Haryana together, half and half kind of thing.
Right.
But it has massive potential.
It does.
It has massive potential
Right.
for the digital front, for the social media, for society, to engage in a much more evolutionary manner, which I see which is not happening. I mean, I see a lot of women in Chandigarh I have met, young women, young student to be, who who came, met us, and somebody's mother would say, "मेरी बेटी TV anchor बनेगी कि नहीं?" I mean, it's not that easy, and everybody wants to be a Barkha Dutt. Do you even know how many hours
They have put in
of lifetime
Right.
she has put into her journey?
Right.
So it's not just fun and games. It is an investment in your time, in your future, in the way you look, the way you talk, the way you speak. Everything matters.
Everything matters.
Yes,
True.
everything.
Right. So, ma'am, start करते हैं podcast एक basic सवाल से. So, how did you think about becoming a professor, and how did you start this college?
This dialogue started with your saying that you are interviewing me as my student. And I will tell you that once upon a time when I was a student at Ottawa University in Canada, I was I was a teaching assistant to my strategy professor.
Mm-hmm.
And being a teaching assistant means you would check assignments and guide the junior students and all that. And he just happened to say one fine day, "Have you ever thought of becoming a professor?"
Mhm.
And I think it was his blessings that worked for me
Mm-hmm.
because they came from his heart and soul. And everybody used to be scared of Jeff Flynn. He was such a phenomenal prof. You know, I still remember his name and his style of teaching. He would just suddenly ask you, and you'd probably, sweat it out. And I think that's what I gave my kids. I do make them sweat every now and then.
Maybe your students even sometimes.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. My kids, yeah,
Yeah.
my kids are my students.
राइट तो मैम ये फिर आपने कैसे सोचा कि डीएससी बनाया
So,
जाए
so
और हाउ
then,
डिड द आइडिया कम थ्रू
well, I worked at BJS Rampuria Jain College in Bikaner for a week, a year and a quarter. It was a newly founded MBA department.
दिस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 90s
1989.
1989 ओके
1989, 1990, 91. And no, actually, sorry. Yeah, 1991. 1991. And so I went there. I was head of department for a year and a quarter. And then one fine day, I said, no, I'm just missing my family too much. Just went back after doing my 1 month's whatever notice period. Looked around this, that, and then finally got into IMT Ghaziabad.
अच्छा
I spent 10 years in IMT Ghaziabad, during which I also taught at Times School of Marketing.
ओके
And that's when, I said that, my God, I'm having to do work for somebody and for people who have taught. It's not that they don't teach students or something, but there are management. The management has no concept of education. They have no concept of what it takes to teach. And they don't know who is a student, the management. Teachers will, of course, professors will know that. They will understand that. But not people who have the money and they say, okay, go ahead and do this for me. So it was very, I wanted to express myself in a different way, let's say. So I needed an outlet to do things my way, to teach my way. And I had learned so many wonderful things at Ottawa University, which had, provided me this energy to, experiment. So I took this forward and I met a few friends, Professor Surjit Lahiri, who I connected with later as my husband, Sanjeev Bikhchandani sir, Rajiv Tiwari sir, Bimal Chadha, who is no more, Sujit Sanyal, who is still there, and now Dr. Sameer Kapoor also, and Dr. Manik Katyal today.
Okay.
And Ashok Mehta, who was at that time the director of TV Ad Index. Today it is Ma'am Neema Mehta.
अच्छा
These minds we collected together and we said, let's do something, बहुत हो गया इधर उधर की नौकरीबाजी and all that stuff. So we wanted to do something. There was a lot of high discussion. There was energy in the room. You could feel it. It was just palpable. So that energy came through and somebody said MBA kar lete. I said, no way. I'm not doing another MBA. Every Tom, Dick and Harry is doing an MBA course. It's so damn boring. So we said, whoa, what else then? Then one fine day, one of the friends came across a bulletin on communication courses. And I flipped through it and then we got about 30, 40 international marketing, Marcom courses, marketing communication courses. Browsed through them. I studied each and every pamphlet for several days and I said, I prepared a program for a 2-year postgraduate, integrated marketing communication.
Okay.
This again was yet a bombshell on the consumer because IMC was not in the market yet. It wasn't even heard of. Masscom सबने सुना हुआ था, कुछ लोगों ने journalism करते थे, बहुत hot headed, गर्म था उस टाइम, PR भी बहुत कम था और advertising ही advertising था. बट हमने क्या किया था, हमने एक पूरी कंप्लीट बास्केट बना दी थी कि देखते हैं क्या होता है, So that's how it started. We wanted to actually do our own thing. I mean, that was, to facilitate our creative energy into the process of learning.
Right. So, ma'am, थोड़ा सा इस पे भी जाते कि where was your first DSC setup? And
The first DSC setup was, well, God bless Father Carvalho, because he took us in home at Father Agnell School in Gautam Nagar, where actually, I mean, Sir and I started with 20,000, 30,000 rupees, and that was it. I mean, we took 2 rooms as classrooms. We had 2 staff rooms, and Father Carvalho's school was immaculately spotless. They had a canteen going for us in the evening also, and he was just such a blessing for us. Really, he helped us through. We used to have classes after school hours from 2:30 to 7:30, 8 sometimes, 8:30 also, and it was long day. It was a long day, but very satisfying because it was your own.
Correct.
It was your own thinking,
Hmm.
and it there was 101% unadulterated involvement.
Right. Right.
You can't have it better.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, abhi DSC, where is it?
Well, we're 31 years old, and today we have our own small little campus.
Mhm.
But happy to tell you and your friends, we are located in the capital city of Delhi.
Mhm.
We are in the hottest area, South Delhi.
Mhm.
We are in the one of the richest corners, Scenic Farms.
Mhm.
We are near the largest world's distance university, IGNOU, and there is a new university coming up right next to us, which is going to be started by the SAARC nations,
Okay.
right next to IGNOU. And there are 2 metro connections, one in Saket and one in IGNOU. But
Mhm.
it's open doors for everybody. Come on, guys, let's
Right.
move it. So that's where we are today.
Great location, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely. And I'm rich because, Akshay, DSC did not take on loan from anybody.
Mhm. Mhm.
We are a boutique. We have remained a boutique for very, very business reasons.
Hmm.
For us, business is not a business. It is a serious business. When you take on young lives and you want to do something, you want to make a difference. I didn't have that chance in my life.
Hmm.
I'll tell you something very personal. I'll share with your audience
Mhm.
that I was my father was in the foreign service, and whenever we used to come back, we didn't have a school to go to.
Acha.
We didn't have any guidance, which college, which course, which this, which that, and we were lost. I'm a home science graduate. I'm also a B.Ed. I'm also a diploma in dietetics. Well, you can see the effect. I mean, I've used my knowledge. It's not
Right.
that.
Right.
It's
Right.
just that this was not what I wanted to do. In a country where at that time, 30 years ago, when people didn't have enough to eat,
Mhm.
what the shit was a dietitian going to do?
Hmm.
Excuse my language. Somebody misguided me.
Okay.
That's what frustrated me. I said, no, I want to help people find the direction.
Hmm.
I want to help them as much as I can. I may not be right.
Mhm.
Nobody can be right or wrong 100%. But at least you can take the effort to search, find, disseminate the information, assimilate it, and then disseminate it and use it. So I think that's what really was egging me on into this thing called education, to help young minds find the right, thing
Right
for
direction.
them, for themselves.
So मेरा जो अगला क्वेश्चन था वो एक्चुअली आई थिंक आपने ऑलरेडी आंसर कर दिया है वैसे, बट इट वाज इफ यू कुड जस्ट गो बैक इन टाइम एंड गिव करियर एडवाइस टू योर यंगर सेल्फ, व्हाट
To my younger self, I would have studied more in terms of in depth to find the right direction. Yeah, I should have maybe, but we didn't have the net, no? We didn't have the net. We didn't have telephones also. उस time तो कुछ भी नहीं था. We used to have those round phones.
Telephones.
Yeah, dialing phones, and then came the step, the button phones, and that was it. We didn't. There was very little, big dearth of good counselors who are, dime a dozen today, and they don't know counseling today. A lot of them, I would challenge them to say, counseling to me aati hai. Do you even know the mind of the child whom you are counseling? Okay,
Right.
so it's big business also. But yes, we needed that. We didn't have it. Okay, so I would want to sort of, dive deep into searching for my future a little bit better. I wish I had some guidance even from my college or my teachers. They also didn't know too much. इतना था ही नहीं, हमारे टाइम में नहीं था. IAS में ऑप्शन देखो ना आप. I attempted IAS twice.
अच्छा.
Yes, and I had only 2 subjects, history and pol science.
Mhm.
तो हिस्ट्री एंड पॉल साइंस करके मैं क्या करती? ना मैं पॉल साइंस स्टूडेंट थी, ना मैं हिस्ट्री स्टूडेंट थी. मैंने हिस्ट्री पढ़ी. I went to Rao's Vilayadam Center in Connaught Place, which was the most famous place to study history. And he would turn around after 3 months. He said, "You know more history than the MA students. You know, I've studied so much." But वो उस जमाने में नेगेटिव मार्किंग थी, इसलिए वो बात नहीं बनी. क्योंकि वो बात नहीं बननी थी. That's all. कभी कभी वो बात नहीं बनती है, क्योंकि वो बात होनी नहीं होती है.
Right.
Yeah, you have to accept that as part of your destiny.
But then again, I believe that you've been way ahead of your time, because starting a integrated communications college back in 1995, I mean, not a lot of people can think of that. You have to be
No,
really
everybody, even
visionary.
Micah was basically a mass comm course, you know,
Right.
marketing
Right.
communication. We are the second institute. Northwestern University was the first in America, and we are the second institute across the world to start an integrated marketing communication program in 1995 September.
Okay,
Okay.
the second university, second college in India.
Yeah, second in India to start a communication course,
Okay.
but first in integrated marketing communication.
Awesome.
Yeah, and that concept was not alive at that time. At that time, it was just advertising course, just a journalism course. It was not even so much PR. It was no events, nothing, and no entertainment, no film marketing, nothing. It was just these two things. And but we said no. We gave them a bouquet of flowers, and we said, you come together and do a bit of this, do a bit of this, do a bit of this. You will find your space somewhere at whatever you are best at. And I think that's what started happening to people. Today, the industry is moving is in the space of integrated marketing communication.
Right.
So any agency today also has shifted into that. So while they may be a huge advertising agency, but they will have a contact or a connect with a PR agency to get the PR work done.
Absolutely.
They'll have a connect with a digital agency to get the digital work done. So eventually क्या हुआ? Marcom हो गया.
Correct. Correct.
So you are integrating your knowledge. Today, at our time, if somebody joined as a sales VP, sales executive, he rose to straight to the sales VP. Today, if you join as a sales executive, if you don't know digital, if you don't know advertising, if you don't understand events, if you don't know PR, you will not become a VP.
Right.
You will be somewhere in between.
Right.
You have to know all of this, a bit of this.
So value is of learning multidisciplinary skills.
Yes, you have to understand the system.
Right. You can't just be learning and
No,
hooking
it's
onto
not a
one
straight ladder anymore.
through that.
It's not a
So
straight
you have
ladder.
to have a wide knowledge of a lot of things.
Yes,
Right.
absolutely. Look at where you are. You started in advertising, no? If I remember, you had interned in advertising, right? And then you interned in askme.com.
But even before that, I was into animation.
Animation, okay? And then today, finally, where you are in this business, right? So, but you're using all that knowledge
All that
to
knowledge.
do this, right? To brand this particular unit that you have, businessin.com. Business India?
It's Indian business.
IndianBusiness.com. Sorry. Okay. So that's where you are today. You put it all together into something concrete and of value to you.
Right. It's a mixture and amalgamation of
Integration.
many things: experience, learnings, teachings from people like you. Have been talking about integrated Marcom courses. So थोड़ा सा define करते हैं कि how are they different from regular courses like an MBA, right?
Oh, MBA primarily focuses on specializations like HR, finance, production. Today it could be IT also. It could be AI also as a specialization. We specialize in public relations, advertising, events, and digital. Okay, and we also have a huge space on film and film marketing, which in fact I think we are the only college in India who has this subject called film marketing.
And film production as well.
Film production तो
marketing,
हाँ, होता ही है, production तो कराते हैं लोग.
Right.
JNU कराती है, जामिया कराती है, जामिया, okay. But film marketing कोई नहीं कराता.
अच्छा.
As a subject, how to market a film.
Right.
And that's a huge business today.
That's a huge business today.
Yeah, it's a huge business.
A lot of people still don't know that
And we also do event marketing.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
it's a full package, everything.
Right. So, ma'am, what goes into running a successful college like DSC? लोगों को बाहर से तो काफी कुछ दिखता है, but we would like to know something that usually people don't know कि एक institute चलाने में what goes into.
I think a lot of drive for any business to work well. You need to be passionate about what you do.
True.
You need to stand with your students when they make mistakes. You need to. There are rules in every system. You also have rules for your business. So schools have rules. You can't. You can bend once in a way. Okay, यार छुट्टी लेते चल थक गए बच्चे. But you can't break. You can't break the rule. You can bend, but you cannot break. Okay, so systems have to be followed. Manage the curriculum in such a way that it stays relevant. You have to stay relevant to the consumer. Who's your consumer? The industry. Okay, that industry group of people who are going to hire these children, right? So to be communicative with them, it's very essential. So we don't have one guest in 2 months or something. I mean, I think you remember your experience at DSC. Every now and then we used to have people.
We used
And
to
there
have
were so many subjects. I think marketing itself had about 4, 5, 6 guests coming every now and then. Advertising, we had a lot of people teaching from outside. All the business connects. So that student would learn what's happening today for the next tomorrow. Not what I knew from the last 10 years, and they would think of what's happening tomorrow. They're creating that tomorrow in class. They're creating that tomorrow in class. Because somebody who's practicing it for 30 years and he can see the tomorrows, he's the one who's teaching you.
He's the one who's teaching you. A lot of industry leaders came when we were at DSC, and I'm sure
Yeah, many more
it
now.
happens often.
Many
now.
more now.
Right. So I'm looking at a lot of competition also in the education space. Right. How does DSC ensure that it stays ahead in the industry?
Like I said, we are a serious business, which means also that we have contained our numbers. We are a very contained unit in terms of the fact that we are small, we are an extremely refined boutique, and we have stuck to the numbers between 40, 55, 40, 55, 45, 55, once upon a time we had 60 also. But I'm very happy with a 50 number, and in a class. I know my students like the back of my palm. There's a lot of interaction. There's a lot of kick, love, and shove, and close encounters and close guidance and monitoring. And our baseline is that I will never tell you do this way. I'll always say, you tell me how you want to do it. I'll tell you whether you're on the track or not. It's so easy to dictate, no? It's so easy to dictate. It's so easy to say यहाँ full stop चाहिए यहाँ comma नहीं चाहिए. Of course, that's a grammatical issue. All I'm saying is we don't dictate, the technology in terms of a pattern, to be used. We say use your mind, expand your mind's horizon. You've been, coming through graduation and college and, not really using this. There is 100,000 acres of grey matter up here. Have you seen the fertile lands in your brain? Have you ever put a shovel into it and dug your deep earth? No, you haven't, because nobody encouraged you.
Right.
We encourage that.
You do that, definitely. मुझे याद है, और कभी ये चीज़ भूल नहीं सकते, that almost every day we guys used to have a presentation. That too 8 a.m. in the morning. और कई बार तो ये भी हो जाता था कि इंटर्नशिप से आए, सेकेंड हाफ वाज फॉर इंटर्नशिप्स, अभी 6-7 बजे या 8 बजे आप अपने वापस पीजी या हॉस्टल पहुंचे हो
और आपको असाइनमेंट करनी है.
और अकेले नहीं करनी, वो आपको अपने ग्रुप के साथ करनी है. यू डिसाइड ऑन अ प्लेस कि अच्छा आज अर्चित के घर मिलते हैं, आज इसके घर मिलते हैं, एंड देन 1-2 वहीं पे बच जाते थे असाइनमेंट और वो प्रेजेंटेशन रेडी करने में. And 8 a.m. in the morning, next, we guys used to present that. But that again built up a lot of confidence. Usually ये चीजें सिखाई नहीं जाती, right? So this
Yeah, because I had a loss, no, in my life. I had that loss. I did not get the right guidance,
right,
which is what made me passionate to try and give the right guidance,
right,
or at least make a platform for it, and allow other experts to share their knowledge and progress in the direction of right guidance. So that's what the passion was.
right. I think that passion should reflect in all of your students also now.
They are. I'm a very, very proud mother of a lot of wonderful children who are doing so amazingly well. The media planning platform is DSC Hurrah, and there are PR platforms again, DSC Hurrah, and you're going to see digital platform DSC Hurrah. Okay, so I think that students have worked hard. Yeah, I dare say they've learned the definition of hard work from us, more clarity on that, and I think they've also become resilient to the fact that you can't faff here and there. Once you get into that commitment mode, it starts happening.
It starts happening.
Yeah. Life changes forever then.
So I'm since 95 and 2025, in the last 30 years,
Yeah.
आपने बहुत सारे बैचेस देखे हैं, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स देखे हैं. ऐसा कुछ ड्रास्टिक शिफ्ट आपको लगा हो in
Well, today's generation is now more equipped with a mobile. They've got tablets, they've got laptops, they've got earphones in their ears, and you have to force them to not use them in class. So you Google. I use Google. Please, check out Google. Spelling नहीं आता यार. मतलब I'm shocked. Spellings नहीं आते हैं. Postgraduate level पे. So then what do? I say, okay, fine. इतने smart हो, Google करो, देखो spelling. फिर 5 बार याद करो. Rectification was not such a bad thing. It's just that it was overdone. That's all.
overdone, right?
It closed your mind. It should not have closed your mind. There should have been something value added to open it at the same time. That's what didn't happen in education.
Right. Okay. So, ma'am, moving on. If you had the power to change one thing about India's education system instantly, what would that be?
I'd like to change the 100 on 100 in English back to 65, 70 on English.
Okay, so you're saying not much importance should be given to English?
No, I'm saying fix the English evaluation.
Okay.
How can you get 100 on 100 in on language? Unless it's Sanskrit. Sanskrit is a scientific language.
Right.
Okay?
I agree.
You can't. How can you get 100 on 100 in writing an essay on the impact of visuals in spiritual involvement? You can't.
Right.
You can't.
Right.
इतने एरर्स होते हैं. मैं आजकल चेकिंग करती हूँ. हमारे पास और भी एसेस आते हैं, और भी पेपर्स आते हैं, आंसर्स आती हैं. आई एम aghast at the language, and that person has got 99 on English because it's an objective paper. A language cannot be an objective paper. Hello, are you listening?
Right.
Language has to be. If you do want it objective, make it part this, part that.
Correct.
लिखने की प्रैक्टिस भी तो कराओ ना भाई साहब.
True.
शब्दावली आपको आती नहीं है, लिखना आपको आता नहीं है, और आप भाषा की बात कर रहे हैं.
So मैम, लिखने की बात करें तो DSC के एंट्रेंस के लिए what tests do we have?
I think there's a psychology test. There's an entrance test. It's a small one, and it has an essay kind of a thing also, and it also has a creative angle to it. And then we have a good half an hour, 45 minutes interview, which will check you again for the command of the language. Not necessarily English. Of course, there are students who have not so great English. I've taught many, and they've come out fantastically well. Okay?
Right.
But it's just that they want to do it. Their want is also important. And I would keep push and pull, push and pull, push and pull. That's how the flower wakes.
Right. और so मैम, AI की भी बात करते हैं थोड़ी बहुत. So AI has been transforming a lot of industries, education being one of them. तो डीएससी अपने करिकुलम में ऐसा कुछ डिप्लॉय
We
करने वाला है
already,
या कर लिया है already?
already since 3-4 years, I think we are teaching AI as part of digital.
अच्छा, ग्रेट.
Yeah. And now we have a largest capsule on AI, and also a lot of new, not only Chat GPT, but a lot of other tools that are in AI are being used to facilitate the journey of students in their work platforms. Okay.
All right.
Already, we are very up to date.
Hmm.
I mean, we call people from outside, and I always tell them that don't go by what I'm giving you in the curriculum. If you think 2-3 things, other things new have to be added, please add it and do it. So I'm very, clear on the evolution of the curriculum.
राइट, राइट. सो आपने रिसेंटली मेंशन भी किया था कि आपने अंडर ग्रेजुएशन स्टार्ट किया है. तो कैन यू टेल अस अबाउट द अंडर ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम्स?
We have a Medhavi Skill University undergraduate program, which is a BA in Media Marketing and PA in PR and Content. And it's great fun. I mean, उन minds को तो मतलब बहुत ही wake up कराना है. It's a different journey. It's a very different journey teaching an undergrad and a postgrad. Very different journey.
Right.
Because उन्होंने career जाना है और उन्होंने अभी स्कूल खत्म करके 12th क्लास में बोर्ड के पेपर दे के थक के फर्स्ट ईयर करना है, वो तो चिल करना चाहते हैं. एंड देन then you have this second year where they start working. Medhavi Skill University is based on the new NEP, National Education Policy, which is skill oriented.
Correct.
So actually we have already put our first year students into jobs. So
Achha.
yeah, they've already earned money in the first year, first semester. Wow.
Because the apprenticeships and internships have always stayed intact.
See, apprenticeships and internships at DSC, we were the first and only college to start this, and it is, I think till date, we are probably one of the larger institutions that does apprenticeships as a core part of its curriculum still over the last 30 years. हमने बोला कि नहीं हाफ डे क्या करेंगे बच्चे, 1:30 बजे फ्री हो जाते हैं, फिल्म जाएंगे, ये करेंगे, लाइब्रेरी जाएंगे. मैंने कहा कोई लाइब्रेरी नहीं जाता है, कोई ये नहीं करता है, कोई वो नहीं करता है, सब दंगा फसाद करते हैं, इटर पिटर करते हैं. बेटर है उनको कुछ काम दो.
राइट.
बेसिक काम हाफ डे में क्या कर लोगे? कुछ भी मत करो. ऑफिस जाना तो सीखोगे, बैठना तो सीखोगे, सभ्यता तो सीखोगे, कुछ तो करोगे. वो सब कुछ शुरू हो गया एक बार जब ना, तब उनको वैल्यू पता लगा कि हाँ यार, इट्स बेटर देन वेस्टिंग 6 hours of your life.
And then you also start making industry connects a lot earlier.
Yes, much earlier. My God.
Because
And then they were more interested in taking back this child, that child, because he did this internship well. We would like to take him again.
Right.
वो 5 महीने हो जाते थे उसके, 6 महीने में उसका जॉब लग जाता था, 2 साल बाद काम खत्म. और क्योंकि हम वैसे ही कम नंबर लेते हैं, तो मैंने कभी जॉब की इतनी चिंता नहीं की है.
मेरे को यूएसपी भी लगती है डीएससी की है कि जहाँ शायद बाकी कॉलेजेस अप्रेंटिसशिप्स इतनी ऑफनली या इतनी रिग्रेसिवली ना करवाए, वहाँ पे डीएससी
We are very aggressive. We are the first ones probably to get our students summer internships and winter internships. In fact, companies बाद में वो चले भी गए. Oh my God, मैम अगले साल प्लीज जल्दी बताना मुझे. Like they come back to me asking me for earlier inputs. And otherwise, I think it's a wonderful experience. We have wonderful contacts, wonderful resources today, and I'm proud to share that we have wonderful alumni who comes back and they come asking for students and people, and that's such a wonderful feeling.
Right.
It's such a wonderful feeling when your own child calls you up and says, "Ma'am, can you send me 2 interns?" Wow, that makes my day.
True. So there's no struggle of placing interns or employees.
It's a struggle, but it's not struggle. I mean, I won't use the word struggle. It's an eventuality.
Correct.
ये होना ही है. ये तो हिस्सा है इस चीज का.
तो मैम ये अंडर ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम्स में भी अप्रेंटिसशिप इतनी ही है जितनी पोस्ट
उसमें
ग्रेजुएट
ज्यादा है, मेधावी में ज्यादा है.
ज्यादा है.
1.5 साल थ्योरी, 1.5 साल प्रैक्टिस.
अच्छा, ये नाम रखा है आपने
क्या?
अंडर ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम का कुछ नाम रखा है?
मेधावी स्किल यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रोग्राम
उसका प्रोग्राम है.
उनके थ्रू 1.5 साल इंटर्नशिप है, 1.5 साल.
अच्छा, 1.5 साल की इंटर्नशिप है.
हाँ.
ओह, एंड दैट 1.5 साल इंटर्नशिप इज लाइक
in 3 years.
I mean, breaking it into half days, not full days, but
हाफ डे फुल डे का मुझे ध्यान नहीं आ रहा अभी इस वक्त, बट आई थिंक इट्स नो, दे कंप्लीट द सेमेस्टर एंड देन दे हैव द इंटर्नशिप, दे कंप्लीट द सेमेस्टर एंड देन दे हैव, whereas in the DSc postgraduate program you have half day for 2 months
correct.
in the program in first semester itself. Okay, and a lot, and then you have a December January, you continue that half day, so you get actually तुम्हारे resume में 2.5-3 महीने आ जाते हैं.
Correct. Right.
2.5-3 महीने की वैल्यू तो है ना. कुछ कंपनीज उन्हीं लोगों को 3 महीने बाद बुलाते हैं समर इंटर्नशिप के लिए, तो आपके रेज्यूमे में 5 महीने हो गए, 6 महीने हो गए. वी हैव अबाउट 7 to 8 months ऑफ इंटर्नशिप समटाइम्स, और जो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं उनके लिए तो साल हो जाता है.
हाँ बिल्कुल,
क्योंकि वो करने को तैयार है.
एंड ऑफिसेज भी नहीं छोड़ते वो.
नहीं, वो नहीं छोड़ते हैं,
कहते
ऑफिस
कि
भी
नहीं-
नहीं छोड़ते, प्लस स्टूडेंट भी कहता है कि नहीं, मैं ये कंपनी चाहता हूँ कि फाइनल प्लेसमेंट मिले, मैं करने को तैयार हूँ. वो करने को तैयार हो जाते हैं सर, उनमें नशा पैदा हो जाता है. वो कुछ कर दिखाना चाहते हैं, और वो कर चुके हैं, बहुत कुछ करते हैं. आम इंसान बहुत कुछ कर सकता है, उनको सिर्फ थोड़ा सा
डायरेक्शन चाहिए, गाइडेंस चाहिए,
पुश भी चाहिए.
करेक्ट, पुश चाहिए. पुश इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट.
थोड़ी सी हमें भी चाहिए होती है पुश.
हाँ.
हम भी थक जाते हैं, आप भी थक जाते हो कभी कभी, तो पुश के लिए क्या करना होता है.
राइट. तो मैम, एआई जनरेटेड कंटेंट और ऑटोमेशन टूल्स बहुत आगे हैं आजकल, जिसकी वजह से काफ़ी इंडस्ट्रीज ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रही हैं. व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि पीआर और कम्युनिकेशन इंडस्ट्री में लास्ट डेकेड में क्या चेंज आया है?
बहुत कुछ कंटेंट राइटिंग वगैरह वगैरह में, अब आप कंप्यूटर में भेज दो मैसेज तो वो लिख के भेज देता है ना. बट यू नो, आई वुड, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ टूल टू बी यूज्ड.
Right.
And you should know the tool, you should understand the tool, but you should also understand when to not use the tool, or where to stop using the tool, so that Akshay, this 98,000 acres does not go to sleep.
राइट. राइट.
If you overuse the tool, ये तो गया.
आजकल तो वैसे मैम ये देखने को मिल ही जाता है. राइट.
देखो, it's like a doctor once told me, if you feed your stomach with soup every day, twice a day, and you don't eat 3-4 vegetables or something or the other, you know, to provide what is necessary for the stomach's intelligence to assimilate and digest, stomach muscles will go to sleep. That's exactly what I'm saying. That all this technology is extremely useful, valuable, no doubt.
But don't just completely be dependent.
Don't depend on it. That's
Yeah.
all. Don't let it
Right.
come on you
Right.
and, you know, overtake your mind.
Right.
There is no greater genius than the human brain.
True that. True. True.
And that's a debate that can carry on for hours and hours,
Yeah.
which I'm willing to fight, because किसी human ने ही AI को बनाया है ना.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
AI ने human being को नहीं बनाया है. तो इसलिए आप भी उसको उतना ही भाव दो जितना आप दे सकते हो. आप अपने काम दिमाग को यूज करो ना. यू अलाउ योर ब्रेन टू चैलेंज इट एंड सी, माय गॉड, यू कैन कम अप विद ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स, simple powerful formulas to your life.
So ma'am, these days I believe when it comes to AI, like I am an avid believer in AI because काफी सारा
You
शिफ्ट
use
हो
it.
चुकी है.
हाँ,
Right.
हाँ.
And we use it to make our work easier.
Yes,
Right.
yes, it's a tool.
We use it to make our work easier, but I believe the students who are just starting out, maybe working in a job or trying to write something, articulate something in a proper manner, I think these guys should be using AI, because then you're fixated to using AI from the very beginning. But if let's say you have a 5 years experience in maybe coding, you're a developer already, you know the basics, your fundamentals are clear. After that you're using AI to write a code maybe, then it makes sense and it solves a lot of time, saves a lot of time also. मुझे लगता है कि एक्सपीरियंस लोगों को यूज कर लेना चाहिए, बट जो बिगनर्स हैं उन्हें आदत नहीं डालनी चाहिए एआई की.
Akshay, a lot of the industry is using AI even at the beginners level.
That's I think वो
In
थोड़ा गलत है.
advertising agencies, in PR agencies, जो content लिखते हैं, ये लिखते हैं, क्रिएटिव बना रहे हैं, कॉपी बना रहे हैं, या मीडिया प्लान. I mean, media planners don't, नंबर डालो, मुझे ऐसा प्लान चाहिए, ये मार्केट है, इतना बजट है, फलाना दिखना, प्लान प्रिंट होके
Plan
आ जाता
सामने.
है ना? तो बट उस प्लान की सेंसिटिविटी क्या है, उस प्लान में क्या लोचा आ सकता है, वो तो आपका माइंड ही बता सकता
Mind ही
है.
बता, and experience बता सकते.
And experience, yes, and sometimes a lot of something called, simply straightforward, intuition.
Right, right.
Intuition is so important and so powerful. It comes only with a rooted base in truth and experience.
Hmm.
Both. AI cannot help you there. AI cannot.
Intuition में तो यार.
Intuition is your.
AI help नहीं कर सकता.
It's here.
यार जितनी भी कोशिश कर लो intuition सिखाने की AI को,
नहीं.
it's going to take ages.
No. It doesn't have a heart. It's a machine.
It doesn't have a heart.
It's a tool. Yeah.
Right. So, ma'am, DSC के students, like you said earlier, कि have been placed at top agencies, and some are CEOs and VPs also. So, what do you think makes DSC's education stand out? जैसे कि हमने internships, apprenticeships की बात करी, उसके अलावा what makes a difference with DSC students?
2-3 simple things. Theory practice interface is very strong. You learn this, you practice this. You learn this, you practice this. You learn this, you practice it, and then you put it all together. Okay, so putting it all together is also very important because we keep revising marketing even in third semester. जब हम business game खेलते हैं, है ना?
Right.
So it's an amalgamation of constant integration, constant. The second is that you have to be up to date. If you don't know what's happening in the world, if you don't know how another communication school or another university across the globe is performing better in this or that, then how are you going to, you have to beat that competition. Your competition is not just Delhi or Bombay. Your competition is the globe today. Okay, so you have to beat that. And it's not just competition, and it's also your competition with yourself. Because if you don't evolve, if you don't upgrade, we upgrade our syllabus every day, literally. Because if there's something new, I want my kids to know it. If there's something new and relevant in this industry, I want them to be the first to know it. They may not excel at it, but they should know about it.
They should know about it.
Yeah.
If that is something of interest to them, तो खुद
And
सीखने की
use,
कोशिश भी
and
करेंगे.
use, yeah. It's not just interest.
Ma'am, what's one piece of advice that is not taught in textbooks, लेकिन आप बताना चाहोगे?
I think passion and resilience. Sometimes, students today are not ready to face change. मुझे एंग्जाइटी हो गई, मुझे स्ट्रेस हो गई. अरे भाई, what stress? You don't have a husband to look after. You don't have this or that to look after. You have only a dog or cat to look after, and your light has gone, your plumbing is not there. No, that's not stress, yeah. These are just, call a plumber and get it fixed. Call an electrician, get it fixed. This is not stress. We are used to this terminology today. They are used to the terminology of I'm anxious. Everybody is anxious, way. We were also anxious at your stage. You are also going to be anxious at my stage. You are also anxious right now because this is happening. I am also anxious because I've never been in front of so much technology before, etc., etc. Just delete that word. Delete is a very powerful word. Delete, DELETE, delete. क्या मतलब? Erase करो. मतलब दफा करो. Desi language. Eliminate this word from your mind that you are under stress or you are. There is nothing called stress or anxiety. It's just an assignment. Do it and done. Do it and done. Keep
Correct.
doing it and it will keep happening. It keep happening and it's done. There's no anxiety about it. Enjoy what you do. It's okay. Yeah? I'm not asking you to get 100 on 100, bhai. This is not a mathematics exam. मैथमेटिक्स के लिए भी आजकल वो कैलकुलेटर यूज करते हैं. 2+2=4. ब्रेन से नहीं करते. शकुंतला देवी का माइंड देखो ना आप. 6 digits multiplied by, in 2 seconds she used to give you the answer.
Oh.
Why? Because she would energize her brain. That's it. Nothing else. You just have to Have some almonds and energize your brain.
I used to have almonds every day, but sometimes I also used to forget almonds.
Maybe that day you forgot your assignment. That was the day you were anxious.
Right. So ma'am, what do you think कि networking कितना important है?
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड नेटवर्किंग के ये नहीं है कि भाई जाके अड्डा मारा किसी के साथ बियर पी लिया. इसको नेटवर्किंग नहीं कहते हैं. नेटवर्किंग जब फोन आता है ना, ये फोन आप लोग जो यूज करते हैं, अगर कोई मैसेज आ रहा है ना किसी का कि यू नो आई वांटेड टू कांटेक्ट यू या कनेक्ट विद यू, यू नो, प्लीज आंसर दैट कॉल भाई. Get back to that person. I know certain amazing people in my life who are partners in their business, you know, who are such wonderful human beings. Dr. Samir Kapoor is a name that you will hear, I'm sure, in your career. He's a partner at Ad Factors. I have a lot of Rohit Shaw, I have Niharika ma'am, so many wonderful people in my life who, if I call, if they cannot take the call, I'll get a message, I'll call you back. And I promise you 101% they will call me back. So they've never not called. It's just good manners. It's not stress. It's not anxiety.
Right.
है ना? How do you know you may not be getting an award?
True.
Take that call. Answer back. This is so important for good networking. And there are so many things in life when you connect with people, you know, you find, oh my God, पर वो तो ऐसा है, वो तो वैसा है, उसको तो ये भी नहीं आता. So what? So what? If you can share something, and if that person can share something, you've got it done. This is called connect. This is called connect. You know, and it's so important to give that connection. You and I are here today because of this connect, Akshay.
True that. Right.
You and I are having this meeting today in this time and moment and space because of that connect.
Because we've always stayed connected also.
Yes.
And
And we connect somewhere here.
we connect somewhere.
Yeah,
Right.
we connect somewhere here.
Right.
I respected you as a student. You respected me, I think, as a teacher. You know,
Not just thing, I did respect you and I
Yeah.
always will respect you.
yeah. So there you are. So there is that connect, and it doesn't come free of cost. You have to work on it.
Right.
You have to work on that contact. You have to work on that connect. And the moment your connection has done something for you, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. We have forgotten to say those two words.
Hmm.
Thank you. Thank you तो करते ही नहीं है. मतलब they just take it for granted कि ये हाँ जी बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत अच्छा, बढ़िया. ये तो होना ही था. मतलब अरे भाई, शुक्रिया करना के बहुत बड़ी सभ्यता है हिंदुस्तान की. आदाब करना बहुत बड़ी सभ्यता है हमारी. Why? How can we forget? Namaste karna.
Yeah.
You know what namaste means? Namaste, this joining of hands in this way means your soul and my soul is connecting and bowing to the God in you to accept your goodness. This is what the meaning of namaste means. It is, you cannot have a more powerful connect than this.
Right.
You know, and we forget to say namaste.
Right.
Little things in our culture are very, very powerful.
Very powerful.
Let's not forget that, you know. I mean, it's the
Us-
biggest connect.
Correct.
It's just saying thank you, just paying good
Right.
regard to people, to your mother, to your father, to your family, to your friends. And you may not have 10, 20 friends, yeah. There are actually not 10, 20 friends in life. True friends are only 3 or 4.
Max.
If you have that, my God, you're damn lucky. Yeah.
Right. So ma'am, rapid fire करते हैं last में. I'm going to ask you some quick questions.
Okay.
आपको भी थोड़ा सा जल्दी ही आंसर करना है.
All right.
So if not education, what profession would you have chosen?
I would love to sing.
You would love to sing. Can you sing?
I have learned Indian classical for 7 years.
So do you mind if I ask you to sing a bit?
Oh no, I'm too old for that now.
गुनगुना सकते हो आप.
तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया. That's it. My throat is old with age, so you'll have to forgive
But
me.
I never knew this fact that you've been a trained classical singer.
Yes, I passed 7 years of the Allahabad University.
Amazing. So you would have been a singer.
Hmm.
और मुझे लगता है अगर उस वक्त टेक्नोलॉजी होती तो आप
तो
बन गए होते,
मैं बन
चुके
जाती,
होते.
पक्का बन जाती, पक्का पक्का पक्का.
So, ma'am, one book or movie that changed your perspective on life.
I can't say one book. I can say one or two movies. There was a very old movie called Vaishali,
Oh.
Vajanti Mala and Sunil Dutt. There was a very old movie called, Dil Chahta Hai, Three Idiots, Munna Bhai MBBS. I mean, they were hilarious movies. मतलब कितने मजे आए होंगे उनको इस चीज को क्रिएट करने के लिए.
Right.
Fantastic, environment in which you bring alive something so powerful as being a simple person who can do things, and you don't need to be a doctorate in so many things, भाई. किसी चीज डॉक्टरेट की जरूरत नहीं है. एक सिंपल अच्छा इंसान बहुत कुछ कर सकता है. Books, I've often read a lot of books by this author called Pearl Buck.
Pearl Buck.
She wrote, Pearl Buck wrote lot of books. I can't remember now, but I've read a lot of them. It was all The Good Earth. The Good Earth by Pearl Buck, yes. And A Pavilion of Women, yes, two of my favorites.
Okay.
Very powerful books based on China and how Chinese life evolves, and
So she's a Chinese author, or?
she's an American author, but she lived in China for many years.
Okay.
That's when she wrote these books. The Good Earth is a beautiful book. Beautiful book. I used to read a lot of Reader's Digest condensed books which my father had, and there was this particular story which I remember, The Left Seat.
Acha.
It was about a captain, a young gentleman who became a captain, and then he had a crash, and then how he moved on to safety measures in piloting.
Okay.
And wonderful, very wonderful. Very inspirational, very, I have also read a lot of Sidney Sheldon. What the hell? Enid Blyton and all that stuff in childhood.
So the names that you're taking,
Jane Austen, all of it.
I'm far away from these books that you've read.
Thomas Hardy, Jane Austen, all of it. All of it. I've read a lot of them, and I've read a lot of them many times over.
You should text us these books so that we also get more inspired.
This generation that reads only what's on Insta and sees more than reads. नहीं, थोड़ा सा रीडिंग करनी चाहिए, अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा लगता है.
Right. Right. मेरी भी कुछ बुक्स फेवरेट्स रही हैं, बट आई थिंक आई हैव लेफ्ट रीडिंग सम टाइम अगो बिकॉज प्रायोरिटीज शायद चेंज हो गई, बट देन अगेन आई बिलीव कि
टाइम कम रह
आधा घंटा तो पढ़ लेना चाहिए. आई नीड टू स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Yeah.
So ma'am, if you could invite 3 historical figures for dinner, who would they be?
Chanakya,
Okay.
Queen Elizabeth, because she had 70 years of peace in England, and that's a very powerful thing. And why not Draupadi?
Okay. Okay. So describe DSC in 3 words, apart from Delhi School of Communication.
Empowering, engaging, enthusiastic.
Okay. What's the biggest myth about education that you'd like to bust today?
कि मैं ऐप बना सकता हूँ और मैं खरबपति बन सकता हूँ. बनाइए, प्लीज बनाइए और खरबपति बनिए, मगर थोड़ा सा अपने आप को एजुकेट भी कीजिए. I mean, at the end of it, you can't spell camouflage without learning the alphabet. So I think education, education is a must. Education, how can you not educate yourself?
Correct.
How can you not? I have my maid servant, she's a very good example. She is my home helper. But she has only one dream, Akshay. For the last 16 years I've known her. She has 3 children. मैं सिर्फ एक चीज चाहती हूँ मैम, मेरे बच्चे पढ़ लिख जाए। मतलब कितनी पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट है मैम, कितनी पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट है बेटा। वो उसका सपना है ये कि जो मैं नहीं कर सकी मेरे बच्चे कुछ करें। एजुकेशन के बिना कैसे हो सकता है? आप खरबपति भी बन जाओगे तो फिर भी वो नींव तो कच्ची रहेगी ना। नींव बनाना बहुत जरूरी है। What is the grace and beauty of a banyan tree? Because it is so rooted. My God, up, down and all around. नीचे भी रूट्स हैं, ऊपर भी रूट्स हैं, all around रूट्स हैं। शेड ही शेड है, शेड within shade. That's what makes it so graceful and majestic. And life moves on for 200 more years. You have to be rooted, you have to be grounded, and you cannot be that without education. Cannot.
तो मैम एजुकेशन का मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि शुड इट बी कन्फाइंड टू डिग्रीज और नॉट?
No, it's a part and parcel of theory and practice. Both. थोड़ा ये, थोड़ा वो, थोड़ा किक, थोड़ा शव, थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट। आई मीन अब मुझे खाना बनाने का ज्यादा शौक नहीं है, मगर कभी कभी अब किसी के लिए कुछ करना ही पड़ता है, तो करते हैं ना, करते हैं, है ना। आपको नहीं भी कुछ अच्छा लगता तो कई बार हाँ यार नहीं कर लेते हैं, चलो कोई बात नहीं। इट्स गुड टू ट्राई, इट्स गुड टू ट्राई। आप उठोगे नहीं, यू नो। रामायण में नहीं, महाभारत में जब कृष्ण बाल छोटे थे तो वो मथुरा जब आए थे तो वो बलराम के साथ घूमने गए मथुरा देखने। तो एक कुबड़ी थी छोटी सी लड़की, आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर बी आर चोपड़ा's महाभारत, बट इन दैट सीन आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दिस गर्ल वाज, शी हैड अ स्टूप इन द बैक। तो कान्हा कान्हा माला ले लो, बड़े प्यार से बोली कान्हा कान्हा माला ले लो। तो कान्हा बोले, छोटे से लड़के, कृष्ण जी उठो ना, उठ के दो, पर आपको पता है ना मैं उठ नहीं सकती, आप प्रयत्न तो करो। उसने जंप मारी और उसने 3 जंप मारे और वो सीधी हो गई और माला दे दी कृष्ण को। आप प्रयत्न तो करो, आप प्रयत्न तो करो, इतना कुछ हो सकता है, आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो। एक आम आदमी बहुत कुछ कर सकता है। प्लीज डू इट।
राइट, वो भी टाइम रहते वक्त। I think don't
waste your time unnecessarily। ये इंस्टा वो इंस्टा, ये फोटो वो फोटो। किसी ने खाना नहीं खिलाना है, I'm sorry, किसी ने पिलाना नहीं है, कोई पूछने नहीं आएगा जब तुम बीमार हो गए। अपने आप ही तुम्हें दूध भी बनाना पड़ेगा, चाय भी बनानी पड़ेगी, माँ का ख्याल भी करना पड़ेगा। Eventually we end up doing it ourselves. Life gives its own kicks. You have to be prepared for that. That is why you need education.
Right.
So that you make a more realistic and stable, life for yourself, more fulfilling.
True.
And you can sit back and wonder and think. I mean, I can sit back and wonder, and I think I can be a little proud of the fact that I've helped people to change and grow.
Right.
I facilitated their journey, maybe not in realizing their dream, but definitely in realizing their potential. Their dream may have been much more, but potential तो निकाला ना मैंने।
मैम इतने सालों में how many students you must have taught?
I can't count them.
Countless.
Because IMT Ghaziabad 10 years, BSc 30 years, time
Right.
school 5 years.
Right.
That would be a lot.
But must be in
But they were
thousands.
wonderful human beings. All my students, every single one of them has taught me something in life. Every single one of them. They've been wonderful part of my journey.
Absolutely. And you've also been a great ray of hope in their journeys. So I think we should end this podcast here at a very good note. Thank you so much, Ramola ma'am, for coming. So guys, she was Miss Ramola, Professor and Dean at Delhi School of Communication. अगर आप चाहते हो हम ऐसी ही इंसाइटफुल पॉडकास्ट आपके लिए लेके आते रहे, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.